In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Affirm not working on Amazon. So let's get started. Now, if Affirm is not working on Amazon, the first thing to understand is that Affirm is a buy now, pay later service, which means it allows you to split your purchase into fixed monthly payments instead of paying the full amount upfront. However, Affirm is not available for every Amazon purchase, and the most common reason, or the one common reason, is that it doesn't appear is that the item is sold by a third-party seller instead of being fulfilled directly by Amazon. So what this means is, for example, I recently bought these dumbbell weights, and if I go to the left side filter, you can see how many brands sell each the same product. Like there's HS or HubSport, Amazon itself, Songamix, CC, well, a couple of brands, and well, these brands have their own specifications. Some of them allow their customers to pay with different kinds of methods. Some of them allow perhaps Affirm, but some of them not. Most of them perhaps don't even know about Affirm, and so they don't have the Affirm as a payment option. Because of these third-party sellers, Affirm as a payment option may not be available for most of the products. But now let's say if you think, or you're pretty sure that a particular product is has Affirm as a payment option, then let's look at the other reason. So the other reason is the minimum purchase requirement, because Affirm typically requires a certain order amount before the financing option becomes available to you. So you should also check whether your Amazon account is eligible, as Affirm availability can depend on your region and account history. So now let's say you have used Affirm before on Amazon and it was showing before, but now it just stopped working. You could try clearing your browsing cache or browsing data by just going to settings, searching up cache, and just go ahead and click on delete browsing data. But obviously don't delete your browsing data, you just need to delete your cookies and cache, and that should do the trick. And then you can try and go into the product again and seeing if the Affirm option reappears or not. Now, sometimes payment options fail to load due to cookies, which I also just mentioned, so you want to go ahead and obviously delete those as well. Now, you can also remove and re-add this Affirm option. So if you go to your account and go to your payment options and add a payment method, you should find Affirm here if it's eligible for you. If it's eligible in your region, your country, and such, it should you should be able to see it here. And you can add your Affirm credentials, and it should show us the payment option, obviously if that particular product has Affirm as a payment option or not. And lastly, a reason Affirm isn't showing as your payment option is probably because perhaps you have been blacklisted by Affirm. So you want to log into your Affirm account directly and check if there are any account restrictions, perhaps missed payments or verification issues, because financing approval is based on a soft credit check, which is a review of your credit profile that does not affect your credit score. So you want to go ahead to your Affirm account, your dashboard, and just see whether you have been delaying on some payments, whether you haven't paid any payments, and perhaps you are blacklisted, you are in the waiting on your payments or something like that, and you want to go ahead and fix that part. And then if you fix that, connected your Affirm account to your Amazon through your payment options, then it should pretty much show up there, because obviously also accounting that the product has Affirm as a payment option. Now if at the end of the day none of these steps are working, your best option is to just contact Amazon or Affirm support, because they would be able to solve this at the end if nothing else works. So anyways, that is all for the video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.